This is the fastest way for you to get 1,000 subscribers in 7 days. Oh my god, believe me when I say that this works like magic. This is something that I've tried and I can see that is working, and you guys know that I said that whatever works for me, I'm going to bring it out here to share with you guys, right? But if you don't want subscribers, you can skip this video. But if you want to increase your subscribers and you want to monetize fastly, watch this video to the end so you get that subscribers that you want and you get the views. You all know that from views that we get watch hours, right? We need to get subscribers. From subscribers we have the views, from the views we have watch hours. Then you just have to watch this video to the end. If you feel this video is what you like to watch, please subscribe, like and share this video so to get to a whole lot of people. Believe me when I say that this is what top creators are doing that has been fetching them subscribers. This is the top secret, and I'm here to share it to you guys because I've tried it and it's working. Without wasting much of our time, let us dive into our YouTube studio and let's do this immediately. As I'm doing it, please be doing it too in your channel. This is the interface of our YouTube studio dashboard, right? So you click on customization, it will bring you to this place, your profile. You scroll down, just scroll down. Are you seeing this channel URL? That is what we are going to be creating. So we are going to be creating a channel URL, and we are going to be placing this channel URL link in our YouTube homepage and also in our videos. So the reason why we are placing it there is that once someone comes to your YouTube channel and they're going to see this URL link boldly written there, and once they click on the link, they're going to subscribe to your channel. Same thing with your videos too. So once you place it on your videos and they finish watching your videos, they're going to click on the link to subscribe to your channel. So which is what I'm going to be showing you how to create this URL link, because that is what we are going to create now in this video. So now let's go to this our handle. Are you seeing where they wrote handle here? Then you see this www.youtube.com. you click on it to copy the link. So let's click on it to copy the link. So once you copy, make sure you copy it. You click on copy, then we are going to paste it. We are going to our Google now. Let's go to our Google to create this auto subscribe generator. That is what we are going to create now. So once you've copied it, now let's go to our Google. So this is our Google, right? So we're going to type auto subscribe link generator. So let's type auto subscribe link generator. See, it is already here. So let me click on it so it will be very fast. So you see this free YouTube auto subscribe link generator. You click on it. It's loading, guys. Okay, now this is, you scroll down, you see this free YouTube auto subscribe link generator. Paste a YouTube channel URL here. So now that link we've copied, this is where we are going to paste it. So we click on this box here to paste. Then you click on paste. Then you come to this side, you see where you see this generate. You click on this generate to generate the auto subscribe link. You click on it. So now we've generated the link, right? You scroll down. So now this is our auto subscribe link. This is it. So you click on this copy link to clipboard. Yes. So once we click on this copy link to clipboard, now we are going to paste it in our profile. So now let's go to our profile to paste it. So now you come back to this your profile where we are going to paste that link we've copied, right? So now let's scroll down. So this is it. Are you seeing this channel URL? This one is already here by YouTube. It's already placed here by YouTube, right? Guys, so now this is where we are going to paste this link. Where you see links, that is share external links with your viewers. They will be visible on your channel profile and about page. So you see this place that they say link title required. Make sure you put subscribe for more, or please subscribe, or visit my channel, whatever title you know you want to give the link, to make them know what the link is all about, for them to click on it. You understand? So you see this URL, you click, this is where you are going to paste your link. Mine is already here, so this is where you paste it. In case yours is empty, just paste it here. You understand? So Now let's go to our let's go and paste it to our videos. Now let's go to our videos. You go to your content, you click on any video you know you want to paste the link. You click on any video you know you want to paste this video. Now let's assume this, so this is our description, right, where we want to paste the link. So after writing your description at all, you just paste your link there. You understand? So you just paste it there if you want to paste it there, but it is very important to paste it there. These are I've already uploaded this video. I'm just showing you for example. So you paste it here. So now let's go to our home page. Let me show you what we are talking about. So once you go to your home page, after doing this setting, you're going to see your URL link there. It's already pasted there. You understand? In case you have any question, just drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply you. If you find this video very helpful, please like, subscribe and share this video so it will get to a whole lot of people that don't know about this setting. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video, guys. So now let's go to our home page. Let me show you in our home page. You seeing the link here? So this is our home page, right? So this is a link. Are you seeing it? Subscribe for more. So this is the link we just paste now in our profile. So you see it here. So please always try to implement all of this in your channel, and you're going to see how your subscribers is going to increase. So guys, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. See you on our next video. Bye.